welcome to another edition of Astronomy Spotlight. This one is for June of 2022. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the planetarium coordinator here at the Hastings Museum. And this month we have something a little bit unusual in the sense that you'll be able to see all 5 visible planets. That is Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn in the early morning sky, right before dawn and right even at dawn. And they are in their order that they are in the solar system as far as distance from the sun. It's going to be Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. So if we look at our planetarium sky, you're going to need a complete full view of the eastern horizon, especially if you want to see Mercury. I'm going to turn on my planet labels right there. Okay, so we are actually looking at, we're going to start on June 19th, June 19th of this month at about 5:15. You should be able to see all 5 planets if you get up around 5 a.m. But we're going to start around 5:15. And as we are looking east, we can see one of the faintest of the planets, and that is Mercury. Mercury, always very close to the sun. It will remain the lowest planet, followed by Venus, the morning star right now, the brightest object in the morning sky other than the moon, and of course the sun when it comes up. That'll be followed by Mars, the red planet. And then the second brightest planet, Jupiter, and the moon, of course you can see the moon, and Saturn, the ringed planet. All right, so here we are at 5:15, and again, this is on the 19th. If you go forward exactly one day, the moon is going to get closer to Jupiter, but not much else has changed. And by the way, if you want to like freeze frame this, if you've got a particular day in mind that you want to go out and have a look, you can always just stop it on at that point. We go forward another day. This is the first day of summer, the summer solstice, June 21st. You can see that Jupiter and the moon are actually very close together. And still all 5 visible planets are there. Go forward to the 22nd, and yes, the moon is very close to Mars there. Go forward another day, the 23rd, and we've got the moon sort of in between Venus and Mars now, getting closer to the eastern horizon, the 24th, and well, we've got the moon right in between Venus and Mars now. Then we go forward another day, and we've got this is June 25th. The moon, the waning crescent moon now, is getting very close to Venus. The next day, the 26th, it looks like Venus and the moon are very close together. In fact, their labels are overlapping. The 27th of June, the moon is kind of getting out of the way now. It's actually fairly close to Mercury. So that is the sky as it's going to look. Of course, we don't know what the weather is going to be. So you might need to try more than one day to actually be able to see this. This is the 28th of June, and the moon is out of the way by this point. 29th, and again, basically the same thing. Mercury is going to be the lowest in the east-northeast a bit. Saturn will remain in the south. And then the 30th, there's the alignment there. The first day of July here, the second day of July here. Notice Mercury is starting to get a little bit closer to the horizon, July 3rd, and then July 4th. And that appears to be about the last day you are going to be able to see all 5 visible planets at least at around 5:17, 5:20 in the morning. Now I'm going to go forward here just a little bit. Not very much, just maybe 10 minutes. All right, let's stop. All right, so this is 5:30 now, 5:30 a.m. Mercury's a little bit higher, but it's getting fainter because of the sun starting to come up. So that I would probably not wait anything beyond July 4th. So you've got roughly from June 19th or 20th up to July 4th to see all 5 visible planets in their order that they are in the solar system, at least this time around. So thank you for joining us for Astronomy Spotlight. Join us again next month for another episode, and thank you for watching.